there, beautiful people. It's Shower here, and welcome back to the channel. But most importantly, welcome back to the Best You Project 21 Day Challenge. I'm so proud of you for making it to yet another day. You can follow along with us either with the free PDF printable template that you can use, write things down, or you can purchase our Notion template, which is going to help you to create all of the systems that you need. I'm going to leave the links for you to get them down below. And also, do not forget that we have a Telegram group where you can ask questions, where you can just stay motivated with other people that are taking the challenge like you. So yeah, guys, let us get on to what we have for today. All right, guys, so welcome to day 7. Honestly, right now you have done most of the planning work. I think all of the planning work, really. Now it's time for you to have a mind declutter, okay? Because we have planned so many things. We have planned our schedules, we have planned our routines, we have planned everything that we have to do, all our goals, and you might have some lingering thoughts. Okay, at this point, you're currently thinking, will I be able to actually do this? What if I'm not able to do this? And today is the time for you to have a mind declutter. Okay, so you're going to think of everything that is in your mind, just write it down. Okay, because it can be really easy for you to plan all these things and then you have not dealt with your mind, you have not dealt with how you feel about your ability to do this. Okay, because for me personally, I remember when I wanted to start this Notion business, I started having so many limiting beliefs. I was just like, can I actually do this? Should I actually do this? And I actually literally took a day. I think I even have the video here. I'll link it somewhere here. But I took a day to actually address those thoughts that were in my head. Those thoughts that were like, you cannot do this. You're doing too much. You're going to fail again. And I addressed those things. And that was what helped me to be able to break through. Okay. Most of the time, anytime I think about any limiting belief based on like the, Notion business that I have now, I just go back there and I'm just like, this is it. Okay, because you can now look at everything that you have in your mind. Okay, this is what I feel about this. Okay, but this is evidence to prove that this is not how it's supposed to be. And even if that, okay, yes, this is the way it is, how can I reframe this to make it serve me? Okay, if I have this limiting belief, what is evidence that I can actually do this? Or what is evidence that I'm going to create that I can do this? Okay, so today is basically just mind work, and it's basically just time for you to pep talk yourself, okay, and let yourself know that you believe that you can do all these things that you have planned. Okay, nothing is going to hold you back except for you. You're going to put your mind into the right mindset for you to achieve all these things. So you can go over your habit tracker, you can go over your task and tracker, and just like go over it, just look at it, and just any thought that comes to your mind, you can write it down. But of course, we also have prompts for you to write down based on categories. So we have the limiting beliefs category, we have the fear and worries category, and we have the unfinished tasks / loose ends. So this is what it looks like for the PDF templates, as you can see here. But if you want to use the Notion template to do this, we also have that as well. So let me show you what it's like. This is it. So once you go to today, you're going to see mind declutter. So just click on it and you go down. So as you can see, we have limiting beliefs, we have fears and worries, and we have the unfinished task list. And so this is just really cool, honestly, guys. Just take this time, look at everything that you have planned, and make sure that you are actually addressing all the thoughts that are in your head. Okay, because once you can address them, trust me, guys, you're going to literally be unstoppable because you have addressed that thought. Okay, it's not a thought that just lingering in your head. It's something that you have taken stock of and you have actively reframed that no, if even if it's like this, it can serve me in this way. So yeah, guys, that is just basically that for today's activity. I really do hope that it helped you a lot, and I will see you in day 18.